Sanibonani bafundi, namhlanje sifunda izinyanga zonyaka ngesiZulu. We are learning the months of the year in isiZulu. January uMasingana, January uMasingana. February uNhlolanja, February uNhlolanja. March uNdasa, March uNdasa. April uMbasa, April uMbasa. May uNhlaba, May uNhlaba. June uNhlangulana, June uNhlangulana. July uNtulikazi, July uNtulikazi. August uNcwaba, August uNcwaba. September uMandulo, September uMandulo. October uMfumfu, October uMfumfu. November uLwezi, November uLwezi. December uZibandlela, December uZibandlela. Those are the months of the year. Izona-ke lezo izinyanga zonyaka ngesiZulu. Make sidlale, let's play a little game. Khetha impendulo efanele, choose the correct answer. Iyiphi inyanga yokuqala onyakeni? Which is the first month of the year? Is it uNhlolanja, uMasingana, or uNdasa? Impendulo ekuyiyona elungile uMasingana. The first month of the year is uMasingana, January. Let's look at the next question. Uphela ngayiphi inyanga unyaka? In which month does the year end? In which month does the year end? IkuZibandlela, ikuLwezi noma ikuMbasa? Ake sikhetheni-ke, let us choose the correct answer. Ake sibheke impendulo ekuyiyona-yona. Let's look at the correct answer. uZibandlela. Unyaka uphela ngoZibandlela. The year ends in December. Okay, salani kahle. I hope you learned the months of the year